Alright guys, we're back at this house again. And got our pressure washer out. We got our 50 feet of hose that we had from that commercial job still on there. Just added up our blue hose, these smooth Cobra Jet hoses made in the USA, guys. These things are great. It's what all we're going to be using from now on. Another good brand, I don't actually hold them at this moment, but is Fierce Jet as well, guys. I'll have to give a shout out to them. Me talking to them, seeing if we're going to be selling their products as well. Very good hose though as well. They're definitely not on the cheap end, either one of these. You know, because there are some that are sold for like 100, I don't know, 120, low hundreds, stuff like that. But this hose here is, I think, 170, 180. Fierce Jet, basically same ballpark. Do you have the remote? All right, sweet. And we're gonna be doing this fence here, guys. So we did one side of it, but now we're just doing the neighbor's side. Of course, get Calvin down at the end. 250 feet of this hose, guys. And it's really good. I mean, not really anything in the way. I mean, obviously these, but I will move these. That's no big deal. But I mean, yeah, I mean, like no bushes and stuff. Usually you get your fence and it's covered in lichen. You got to spray 6%, and yeah, I mean, bushes everywhere, killing bushes, all the fun stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be good, nice and easy, guys. No lichen, so probably just hit this up once, come back, rinse it off, basically. Let it dwell for 5 minutes. Perfect. Got good soap in the line as well. Using a Eliminator from Pressure Tech. Yeah, it's M5 twist, guys. We're always using basically that same setup. Like, I think Joe Deary was the one that kind of came out with it, like a shooter tip and an M5 twist together. I mean, obviously we've all used them, but kind of who's on YouTube doing it, basically. Great setup though. Yeah. Let's see. I mean, he just put it on here, and we'll do the test. Oh yeah, that mix is working. That's how you know your mix is good, right? All right, Cal, I'm gonna cross it for him. See if he let's see what he says. All right, Calvin just came down from right there. He's just hitting it with like a second coat over it because he doesn't want to wait. He doesn't want to deal with it. Why would you?
Did you write that out?
Yeah. He actually noticed. I was like, yeah, let's see if he notices. Yeah, you can see all that stuff's melting away. Calvin's just coming up with that X-Jet rinse. Perfect way to do a fence, guys. X-Jet rinsing, not X-Jet applying. You can X-Jet apply though, that's also a great idea. Actually, you need a really strong mix with X-Jet. That's always good. Woo! Oh yeah. Back and forth, up and down, do it all around. Nice. Let's go check out some of the ones that are already done. Oh yeah, beautiful, nice, nice and spotless. We like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. good when you have someone that can do some good work for you. Never a bad thing, right?